Hello, Mid-American Region. I'm Amy Stack, your Regional Tech Trainer, and I'm happy to share that we have your January plug-and-play marketing kit ready to go. So this is an example of what it looks like, the email that will be sent out. So it'll have your information at the top, and the theme is a Smart Start, your resource for homeowner taxes. So we've curated some content here with things that could be helpful for somebody to put their taxes together. And then I've actually talked to some CPAs about best practices for homeowners and what they should be considering come tax time. So I know we have a few months before taxes are due, but this could really help them set themselves up for some success to get the most benefits that they can. Towards the bottom, there's a little letter from you to them that reminds them that you're their local real estate professional and you can get them connected to your trusted CPA. And of course, that you're there to help with any real estate needs for anybody they need year round. So that is what the email looks like. You'll also have access to some social media pieces and an instructional form here. This document links to this training video. It also has links to be able to edit. There's some Canva templates with the KW Canva account. So these graphics in here, these 3 pieces, if you want to make updates to them, the links for the templates are right here for the reel and the graphic. So this is what the graphic looks like. And I also dropped it in there as kind of like a little GIF. And then we have something for your stories, reel, call to action for clients to reach out to you if they didn't see the email or they're not on the newsletter. So you can use any of these as they are and just put them on your social media accounts, or you can use these template links in KW Canva, as I mentioned, and you can get in there and make edits if you want to add your own branding or coloring or anything like that, your logos, etc. Just below that, you'll see there's some sample text for you to put on social media if you're not sure what to say. Here's some ideas. You can customize those, use them as they are, or put something totally different. That's up to you. Now we have the MAR Tech Hub. You'll see at the bottom right, if you don't remember how to get here or don't have it saved, you can scan that QR code. But this is where you can find all of our latest and greatest marketing kits. So the training video will always be right here, followed by the link to get the marketing kit, which is this folder right here. So again, this month is all about taxes and how to prep your homeowner clients to get the most they can at tax time based on the biggest asset they have. So we'll see you next time, and make sure to reach out to your local tech trainers if you need help implementing.